Welcome back to Crypto Talk. So let's run down the monthly here on Bitcoin and why I'm still so darn bullish. And I have been since this wick down here at 52,000. Pretty simple. We back tested the old value area high and the old high from 2020 and 2021. That level came in at 58,800. I have it drawn here in white. It's the daily close, actually the monthly close on two candles, and it's also the top of the wick for one of them as well. So that's 3 months of crazy support that we've held. And also you can see it's the bottom of our closes here for the month of August and September. It is the close for September, but also the close for August and the open of September. It's crazy. It's literally just sitting on it. So, beautiful. Also, market Cipher beads about to print a trigger wave on the monthly, which is stupid bullish. I also have my falling channel kind of set up on the closes on the weekly. Well, on the monthly, it's pretty much showing the wicks. And it's showing more confluence there. And then we're back above the value area, the point of control, coming in at 52, is at 894, and we're pumping. So next stop, in my opinion, is the value area high, which is roughly about just under 70,000, coming in about 68, let's call it 800. You've also got a monthly support resistance flip coming in at 69,169. And then back above that, we're off to the races. So let's adjust this correctly since this is our breakout point now. So roughly 97,575 is our breakout target from this falling channel, our wedge or bull flag, however you want to draw it. That is essentially from here to here. That is this pole. Some people like to do this entire thing. That's crazy in my opinion. Or you could do this that's just silly. But to be a moon boy here, let's do this one. Let's go from roughly here to here. For all you moon boys out there, what we got here? From here to here, roughly speaking. There you go, 185. Is it possible? Sure. Do I think it's going to happen? Not really. I'm still in the 135 moon boy camp, somewhere in that neck of the woods. Mainly just because it's between the 1618 and the 2618. Those projections for me, I just go off of fibs. Fibs seem the most realistic. Bots and algos trade off of fibs. A lot of Wall Street traders trade off of fibs, so I'm looking at fibs. So 1618 comes in at 101. 2618 comes in at 155. So I'm thinking 135 is a realistic number. And really, if I jump on over to the BLX chart, regardless of price, I'm getting out somewhere between March. If I'm looking for topping signals between February and March of 2025, if we haven't exploded yet, then I will still take some profit, but also look to really move my next target to October of 2025. The only thing that's guaranteed at the moment based on the 4-year cycle is the bear market low coming in October of 2026. So I will keep you guys posted, but price really doesn't matter. It's more about time. I've been saying this for the past year and a half now. And if you haven't seen my full chart, I'll zoom out for you here. So this is my BLX chart. Peaks are in green, bear market lows are in red, and you can see I've delineated kind of a projected time frame for what this should be like. The first one here in March of 2025 is based off the real high, which was every indicator in the world was saying, including the pi cycle top indicator, said that the first high at, what is this roughly? We'll call this March of 2021, which was roughly 69,000 was the real high. And the actual high, or the all-time high, which came in roughly, November of 2021, was a manipulated high. So you could also see here, too, that you had decreasing momentum. So you had bearish divergences of the monthly going into the all-time high. Money flow was decreasing. Really tight RSIs that were down. What do we have now? We've got tight RSIs pointing up, trigger wave about to happen here on the monthly. Money flow is coming back up. VWAP is about to cross over the zero line. In a lot different scenario. So super bullish. You can see this was just a continuation. Looks nothing like each other at all. Still stupid bullish in my opinion. So not really going to talk much else, guys. We'll have to wait and see if Bitcoin does this week. But this is in the time frame of that, the 10th to the 16th is when things started heating up for an uptrend. So what am I watching? I'm watching Solana. I'm watching Sui. I'm watching Beam. And I have my bag of, I don't have up here Band Protocol. That's up here too. But I'm also watching Illuvium. I've discovered I still have a small bag of Illuvium left over, so I'm just going to let that ride and see what happens. So nothing to say. It's financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter, the Blackguard Discord, and if you need private coaching, head over to Patreon. Thanks, guys.